Guys, a lot of us are still working from home, and with more restrictions due to COVID on the horizon, working from home isn't going away anytime soon. Now, that's the bad news. The good news is that with all of the tech at our disposal these days, working from home has become a whole lot easier. Now, I spend a lot of time on video calls, and it's not always easy to capture all of the conversation, especially when there are lots of people on the call and everyone's trying to talk at once. It can be quite tiring. So having a good headset is imperative, and this is exactly that. This is the H1 Telecom wireless headset from EKSA, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. First off guys, I was sent this H1 Telecom headset from EKSA, or by EKSA, in exchange for my honest review, which if you follow my channel you will know whether or not I buy something or I'm sent it, you're always going to get my honest review and opinion. Now, EKSA make a ton of different headsets and earbuds, and I've reviewed quite a few, and I will leave a link up here for a card. Now, the H1 is not really for gaming. You know, they make gaming and music headphones, but the H1 is their noise cancelling telecom headset specifically for conversations rather than music or gameplay. Now, as you can see, this is a one cup design, so you can focus on the rest of the world at the same time as your conversation. So if you're working in a busy centre, or if you're working at home and you've got other things going on, you can listen to that with your other ear. This can also be worn on the other side, so left or right as the microphone swivels round. You can also bend the mic to bring it closer to your mouth if need be. So let's have a quick look in the box. Here you can see there are some instructions. There is a USB charging cable, and of course the headset itself. And it all comes in this nice little storage bag, so you can kind of store everything away at the end of the day. Now, controls are on the ear cup, and they're pretty simple. You have a large multifunction button that is used for pairing, music playback, and activating your voice assistant, so Google or Siri or whatever. When you're in pairing mode, the button itself flashes blue and red, and then once you're paired, it stays blue. You also have volume up and down buttons either side of that pairing button, and on the mic arm you actually have a mute button as well. So it's really nice to see physical buttons sometimes. I mean, we see a lot of these headsets with touch controls, slide this way, slide that way, circle round, whatever. You know, if it's got two ear cups, there's controls on another side. There's a ton of different types of touch buttons, but you know what? Having physical buttons when you're on a call with someone, having that reassurance is really nice, because when you're on a call, you don't want to slide, you don't want to push, you don't want to do something by mistake that is going to result in accidentally cutting that call off. So I do like this physical reassurance of buttons. It's good. Now, the bottom of the ear cup also houses the USB-C charging port, and the headset and the headband, the headset is made out of nice spongy material for comfort. The other side of it is also made out of this rubbery material, as is the headband. And you know what, it is, I wore this for a couple of hours and it really is comfortable. And I think that's a key point when you are using something like this for a prolonged period of time, because let's face it, some of these calls can go on a bit, and having something that's comfortable to wear is going to make it a lot less taxing on you, so a lot less tiring. Feature wise, you have 30 hours of playback, and you also have that 270-degree rotating microphone, and it only takes 1.5 hours to charge, so that's pretty cool also. Also, you can pair this headset to a different device. So you can pair it to 2 devices at the same time. So that's nice as well. And if you really want to listen to music, you can, as well as, use your phone's voice assistant. So that's pretty cool. So really, I'm liking a lot of the features on this, particularly when I tell you the price, but I'm liking a lot of the features of this headset. Now, audio-wise, well, the ENC chip, which is this environmental noise cancelling chip, also the sound quality was clear, which for a headset designed for a long day of calls was refreshing, as bad quality audio is definitely, like I said, very tiring to listen to. So all in all, guys, this is a nice lightweight headset designed to be worn all day. Great audio quality, great battery life, and it won't break the bank. I will put any links in the description with any discount codes. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. How does it look? How's it looking? Any good? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks to EKSA for sending me this to review. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, ask any questions in the comments section. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.